Hey BLT, I cannot help but remember the times we spent together. Going back to the production of Blinded almost 1 year ago, where I first got acquainted with you, just before I got enlisted in the army. I guess ever since then we tried to work together as much as possible. Still remember center stage, council and stuff like that?
I know the years are showing. Look at this life, I still don't know where it's going. I don't know much, but I know I love you. And that may be all I need to know.
You know, there were really times that you thought it was the end of all productions, but hey, look where we have come so far. Productions after productions, and then until this, the recent big ass one.
Look at these eyes, they've never seen what matters. Look at these dreams, so big and so better.
I don't know much, but I know I love you. And that may be all I need.
Remember your BB gun and your laptop, and then the financial situation that came along with it.
So many questions.
Well, anyways, hey, this is getting quite immoral, but I think I have to do this before I leave. You know, I hope there's something I can do, like buying more hard disks for you, or like a dozen blinky lights, or maybe giving you my XR2. But the fact is, you're leaving, and I guess I can't do anything much about it. Although we didn't went to the same school, or grew up together, or even watch you make your first production, like Vendetta, or even attend your same church, I would like to say that the time and the friendship we shared was something really impossible to forget, and I don't think I will ever forget it, yeah. I guess what I can do is remember you in my prayers, and yeah, you know, once you're gone, I won't be seeing you for at least a while.
But I know I love you. That may be all I need to know. I don't know much, but I know I love you.
So please take good care of yourself, you know, keep dreaming big, love God, honor your parents, you know, honor your friends too, pay them back their money. Keep on walking, keep on flaming, and always remember that in the opposite end of the earth, you know, there's always a bunch of friends that will always remember you and treasure you. So take good care of yourself again. All the best. God bless, my friend. Bye.